Can you rev it?
Yeah, I got you.
You rev it?
You like that? You like that? What you gotta say?
Caught up with the dog video, man. Hey, get away from me.
Hold on. Hey. RT.
I'ma get it all in all. Some may think that I'm falling off. Hey, I'm here to talk, so what to talk about. Say you my friend, but you walking off. Hey, my dog stuck out the wall, so he cold and fiending. We'll step on it, don't give me a reason. Bitch slacking on the music, feel like I don't need it. Some people say they love it, so I guess they need it. Sometimes I go to trip when they get off.
What's up with the YouTube gang, man? So on today's adventure game, I really don't know what we're doing today because it's supposed to rain, I think. So I'm gonna try to do something for y'all today. And what better way to start off the video than to give back to the less fortunate. So it's still morning time, I think. So I got some breakfast for the less fortunate, man. I was riding through and one of the guys stopped and asked me about my car. He like, hey man, you got a V8 in that thing? And it was funny and stuff, so it just made me think, man, he probably ain't even have a chance to eat this morning, man. Like, I got a chance to eat, so I got 5 chicken biscuits, 5 sausage biscuits, so a total of 10 biscuits, and I got like 8 hash browns. And y'all know I'm in the Corvette, so I just got 4 waters. That's all I can hold. I couldn't hold nothing else, so we finna go just give them some food, man, and hopefully make their day. So we almost back where they usually be hanging at. So anybody from this area, they know the area I'm talking about. So you from this, if you from around here and you know the area I'm talking about, I challenge y'all to do what I'm doing right now. I ain't doing it for no bragging rights and stuff, man. Just, if you got it, you know, it ain't nothing to just go get something to eat and just give it to somebody who ain't got nothing to eat. You feel what I'm saying? So if you from the area and you know this area, come on now, y'all hear it, man. To see if they still out here. Might have to find them. I done bought all these biscuits. I'm about to have to find them, man. I think we find one person, gang. Let's see, we got one. What's up, man? You good? You good? You ate today? You want something to eat? Huh? You want something to eat? What? I said you want something to eat. Something to eat. Huh? Who? Now I got a YouTube channel, man. I just said I was gonna pass out some food.
Oh shit, I'm sorry.
Yes.
Damn.
You good?
No, I was cool.
Oh, damn hoe. What, you want, chicken biscuit or sausage biscuit?
Anyone?
Okay.
Thank you, man.
You good? You want something to drink?
What you got?
Or just water? I ain't got that many spots in here to hold stuff, so.
Fine. Hey, thank you, man.
You welcome, man.
Damn, you something serious.
I appreciate it, man.
No, it's the road.
Yeah. So we got one passed out. I think it's some more sitting up here. I think we're just gonna give out the rest of them up here. Yeah, we're gonna just get the rest of them out up here. What's up with it, man?
How you doing?
Y'all ate today?
Huh?
Y'all ate today?
No, we ain't.
Y'all want something to eat?
Yes, sir, we do. Thank you, bro.
Y'all could just pass them out.
All right, God bless you.
Sausage biscuits work out.
Yeah, sausage and chicken.
All right, appreciate it, man.
You welcome.
God bless you. You wasn't ready.
Huh? And then I ain't got room in here to hold stuff, so y'all gonna have to divide the waters.
Yes, sir.
But you got
more bags?
Yeah, just tell them to pass them out.
Yeah.
You gonna pass them out?
Yes, sir. Ah, shit. We blessed for what you gave me, brother.
Oh yeah.
Ain't long for that.
No problem.
What's up?
Y'all from here? Where y'all from?
I'm from here already. Hey, bro, I gotta say it, man.
What you gotta say?
I'm caught up with the dog video, ain't it?
Yeah. Nah, well the same dude who wrapped this car, wrapped off car.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What you got under the hood?
6.2 liter.
6.2.
Supercharged.
Hey,
Can you rev it?
Yeah, I got you.
You rev it?
You like that? You like that?
Hey, big bro, what kind of business you got going on?
I got a YouTube channel.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. So I just said I was gonna do this to start my video off, just give out some food.
Right.
Yeah.
Hey, keep up the good work, man. God keep blessing.
I appreciate it, man.
All right, man.
I'm holler at y'all. You get
You
you one?
rapper?
Huh?
What, you a singer?
Nah. Yeah.
Hey, any chance you can help a homeless? Vet? Just get a beer.
Huh?
Any chance you can help a homeless vet? Just get a beer.
You want a beer? How much a beer is?
About $3.
3?
Hey, he wants you to know, could you set his phone up where he can take a picture of your car, man?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's just ideal, man.
It make your mouth drop when he wears
This
face like
is a
wow.
custom made.
Oh.
I'm guessing.
What's the password?
What's the password, man?
Is this a custom made?
Custom. Yeah, rap.
Yes.
Yeah.
You rap?
Custom rap?
No, I don't rap. Yeah, it's custom.
Oh, you got to do the Warren Robbins?
Atlanta.
Oh, Atlanta.
Yeah.
My partner
That's
got,
right,
a grand Jeep.
East
He got
Point.
like that.
His what?
East Point.
Oh,
ATL, baby.
what you know about Atlanta?
I know I was born here, damn it.
You born in Atlanta?
Yeah. Right by the airport. But I was raised up in LG,
For real?
up in the mountains.
You gonna take a picture for him right there? He wanna take a picture of the car.
Show me how to do that.
You just push the picture button. What's
Which
up,
one
man?
is that?
What you getting up?
I had gave them some biscuits.
Is that the picture?
I ain't got no money. I just had to get the food.
Ain't got no food in there?
Is that the picture?
I gave it to them. See if they got one left.
Is that the picture button?
Yeah, the circle button.
Right there.
Yeah.
And whoever take a picture of it.
He wanted a picture of the car, the dude right there.
Oh, the car.
Yeah.
All right.
Man, get away from me. Get away from me, fuck. What's up, bro?
You gonna get it for him?
Yeah, you ain't friends like that.
Why ain't his friend, man?
Nah, cause he ain't good people.
He ain't good people.
He's sour.
He is.
Yeah, I like to deal with good people.
Hi, Sal. Go get the picture for him, man. You gonna get it for him? He want the whole car. Hey, he wanted. I was trying.
Fish.
Well, hi, Sal.
Hey, bro, look in the car.
See, there you go.
I'll play with bro. Bro, we're good. No. Man, folks. Have a night later, man.
I appreciate it, man.
Yes, sir. That's nice night. Good, too. Damn. That's a bed, huh?
He taking it right there.
Ain't no biscuits in here, bro.
He got it.
Got it, big bro? I ain't lie to you. Give me the phone back. I don't get me one.
It's his phone.
Oh, it's his one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I think he got it.
You gave it, dude. Okay.
You didn't take the picture though, right?
I did. Check.
Thank you for seeing, big bro. Thank you, man.
Check
All right.
for,
I gotta get me a picture of this bill. You look like my homeboy big truck.
there you go.
Yeah, yo, let me get it.
I've lived a life, and guess what?
Here you go, man.
I didn't want to become a
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
multi-millionaire.
Hey,
I was scared.
Huh?
bro, come on, man.
Hey man, these.
But I love your car. Hey, look.
Number 20 up, bro.
They just a one.
I appreciate you.
Hey, hold up.
Don't get in front of me.
Hey, chill out.
But
Chill out.
I need me a picture, bro. But let me get a
I
picture.
know.
Hey, I'll let y'all. All right.
Hey, bro.
So, hey, y'all seen it, man. Y'all seen it here first. So, we did that. Now we finna hit this old bridge. Said blessing with some cheese. He trying to get some dip. That's why I didn't want to start passing out money. Cause I knew once I started passing out money, they will all come running out. So that's why, hold on. Woo! That's why I really didn't want to give money, I want to give food. But see what they did, as soon as I started giving them food, then the other one started coming and asking for money, want to get a bill and stuff. So I gave them some money, but I had to get up out of there because they were just gonna keep on asking. Hey, I ain't got it like that now. I'm trying to feed you, my boy. What's up, gang? So this is the rest of this video, I guess. Somehow we found our way at a dealership with the whole gang. Okay, check them out, man. Check them out. Somehow we done found ourselves at the dealership with the whole gang. Cassie trying to get a new car. What you trying to get, Cassie? Talk to the old tube. RT?
I'm sick of the V6.
Why you want an RT? Well, now we got the infamous Draco pulling up on the scene. Look at him. Check him out now.
Scared of y'all.
Check him out now. What's up with you? What you got to say to the channel, man?
Y'all stay tuned, man.
You need to come back.
Make sure y'all. I am coming back. I ain't gonna say soon, but I'm coming back.
You need to say soon.
I'm coming back.
He come
Just
back
make
soon.
Sure. Nah, I ain't gonna say soon. When I come back, y'all make sure y'all tune into the channel, man. Draco_392 scat. But y'all stay with my boy too, though. He been dropping videos like crazy, so y'all make sure y'all tune in.
This man Ben got all them videos up. He just gonna stop posting, man. That man got a whole YouTuber, man. He just stopped.
Man, I be chilling. That's all I be doing. Who's got that?
Here. Great shirt. Yeah.
Yeah, what's that? In the car.
You know he probably ain't walk nowhere. He might have walked somewhere now. But yeah, we up here checking out some stuff. We done pulled in more cars than the dealership. Nah, they over here looking at the old Jeep Grand Cherokee. They might be thinking about having kids, y'all, because I don't know why they looking at this.
We can get this next year.
Oh, they're nice.
It's real nice, ain't it?
Ooh, they must be planning on having some kids or something.
I just like SUVs.
They did nice. You got parent roof?
You got 2 kids.
Got the
There's a
roof?
screen on this side.
Got the screen? They let you test drive.
I'm not crazy about this wood grain. I don't really
I
like
don't know that type. Look, luxurious looking. Like a house. Like it's the counter of the house. So, what they want for that? 56,000?
I think 66.
56? Oh, 66 after all the options. It is nice. Oh, that bit, yeah. You can't wrap this now.
Black diamond glitter on this. And black diamond glitter on the other. You got your camera?
Oh, look at y'all. Y'all so cute.
So y'all finna buy the whole dealership. What you do that? Y'all don't need to buy nothing else.
Is that the the general manager TRX or is it
Yeah,
on
the general manager got the gray one. The finance manager got that one. And then the accountant manager got that track out.
Oh, it's a track out.
I just hit a track out the other night in downtown.
So yeah, baby.
Damn.
Go ahead and get me this one.
Everybody call me Draco. That's what everybody knows about.
Drake. Yeah, there you go. So Drake and all that.
I'm just with these rich people. Big. Dragon tail.
Try to fix your hair for the camera.
Nah, man, we know what to do. Hey, y'all subscribe, man. Brenda's PLV. Holla at your boy.
You already on the outro 200 times.
Hey, man. What DJ Khaled say? Another one.
Another one.
What's going on, Instagram? CT Breen. I'm here with Brendan's POV. Going on YouTube.
Check them out.
Yeah, we standing. I'm the big ram, and I'm telling you, dog. Brandon's POV, man. That boy doing legendary things, man. Corvettes whipping through, doing all type of cool legendary content. The boy is living his life. The boy is living his life, man. Let him do what he want to do, how he want to do it. All that. Look at Bina. Bina, like, man, you gonna look at the dog. Go subscribe to his YouTube. His name is Brandon POV. Ain't been on Swift, right, Bean? Shake my hand if it's okay. Shake for Brandon. Hey! Bina agrees. Make sure you subscribe to his YouTube channel. I'm Mr. Organic.
Make sure y'all tune in with my dog, COC.
Hey, subscribe to my boy channel. We're going on all 2022, 23, everything.
Y'all go subscribe to my boy stuff.
Brendan's POV.
Turn it up. Don't play with it.
You heard me?
Hey. Supercharged.
Can you rev it?
Yeah, I got you.
You rev it?
You like that? You like that?
Yeah, baby.
What you know about Atlanta?
I know I was born here, damn it.
You were born in Atlanta?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. No problem.